Good morning, Jerry Hawk 250 here. Just got back from a little short ride on my Lifan Lycan 250. Ride got cut a little short, got some rain coming. A few little sprinkles on me on the way here. But just give it a little update. I actually found a front seat backrest. Well, the problem is when it came in, it was the wrong color brown. Nothing like the picture, so I had to wind up dyeing it. But the seller was pretty good about it. He refunded me a good portion of my money because it wasn't as it was pictured. But man, it makes a difference on riding. You can actually relax and not have that worry about the pressure of the wind pushing your chest and getting your arms tired. You can ride more relaxed. I love it. And it's been an awesome little bike. I say little, it's a pretty good size bike. Small CC. And I did go ride my KPT this morning, 400. To get a good long ride. Poor bikes have been neglected here when I got the new boat, or new to me boat. So yeah, please like, subscribe. I will leave a link for the backrest, but it's up to you if you want to order it. It may come the right color, it may not, but I was able to find a dye that was the exact color. It was a maroon, and perfect. Talk to you guys later.